8 weird facts about Titanic that sound fake but are 100% real. Fact 1. The ship that was called unsinkable was never officially called. That most people believe Titanic was marketed as unsinkable. In reality, that word was never used officially by the company. It was only after the disaster that newspapers started calling it unsinkable, making the tragedy feel even darker. Fact 2. Titanic had only enough lifeboats for half the people. Titanic could carry over 3,300 passengers and crew, but had lifeboats for only about 1,200 people. Not because they forgot, but because safety rules at the time were based on ship weight, not people. Fact 3. The ship's lookouts had no binoculars. The key to spotting icebergs is distance vision. But the Titanic's lookout crew had no binoculars at all. They were locked in a cabinet, and the officer who had the key never boarded the ship. Fact 4. The iceberg didn't rip Titanic. Apart movies show a massive hole in the ship. The truth is worse. The iceberg created a series of tiny cracks across the hull, small enough to look harmless, but together they let in enough water to sink a giant ocean liner. Fact 5. Some passengers slept through the collision. The impact was so gentle that many passengers didn't wake up. Some even complained about ice in their rooms, not realizing the ship was already doomed. Fact 6. A novel predicted the Titanic disaster. 14 years earlier, in 1898, a novel called Futility told the story of a massive ship named Titan. It was labeled unsinkable. It struck an iceberg in the Atlantic, and it sank because it didn't have enough lifeboats. Sound familiar? Fact 7. The musicians played while the ship was sinking. Instead of escaping, the Titanic band kept playing music to calm people down. Their final song is believed to be "Nearer, My God, to Thee." Not a single member of the band survived. Fact 8. Titanic is still killing people. Over 100 years later, the wreck is slowly dissolving because of bacteria that eats metal. This bacteria was discovered on the ship and named Halomonas titanicae, a microscopic reminder that even the greatest machines can rot away. The Titanic didn't just sink into the ocean, it sank into history, leaving behind mysteries, warnings, and truths we still talk about today.